Hello guys, in this video we'll learn about the algebraic systems with the congruence modulo M method in the discrete mathematics. I am Professor H.D. Padia from SHGMC Shekau. In our previous video, we have already discussed about the algebraic system. Let we have one set with the four elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and we perform the mapping f from x to x. Then suppose we have the function, it is a set of four ordered pairs 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 and the 4, 1. Let the identity mapping on the x be denoted by the f raised to power 0 and it is equals to a set of ordered pairs 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and the 4, 4. If we find out the composition function like the f raised to power 0 composition f raised to power 1, then it is equals to the f raised to power 1. Then how to find out the composition function? That's we have again seen that if we have the f raised to power 0, the first ordered pair is 1, 1, we'll consider it is a x and it is a y. Then in the f raised to power 1, we consider the first element is y and the second element is z. Then this y of the f raised to power 0 and the y of the f raised to power 1, that must be same. That is the second element of the first function and the first element of the second function, that must be equals to same. Then we have to write down the x comma z, that is x to y and y to z. Then we can write down the x to z like the 1, 1 and 1, 2. That's why we have written the 1, 2. The 2, 2 xy and 2, 3, that is yz. Then we have written the xz, that is 2, 3. 3, 3, that is xy and 3, 4, that is yz. Then we have written the xz, that is 3, 4. And same for the last 4, 4, that is xy and 4, 1, that is yz. That's why we have written the xz, that is 4, 1. If we again find out the composition of the f raised to power 1 with the f raised to power 1, that is equals to the f raised to power 2, then it is a f raised to power 1, its composition with itself. Then we'll consider the first 1, 2 as a xy and this 2, 3 as a yz. That's why we have written the 1, 3. For the second, if we consider 2, 3, it is a xy, then we can consider this third term as a yz because the y of this and the y of this must be same. Then 2, 3 and 3, 4. That's why we have written 2, 4. 3, 4 and 4, 1. xy and yz. That's why we have written 3, 1. And for the last 4, 1 and 1, 2. xy and yz. That's why we have written the xz, that is 4, 2. If we again perform the f raised to power 2 composition f raised to power 1, that is equals to f raised to power 3, then the f raised to power 2 composition f raised to power 1, that is 1, 3 and the 3, 4. That's why we have written xz, that is 1, 4. For this term 2, 4 in the f raised to power 1, we have the 4, 1. That's why we have written the 2, 1. In the f raised to power 2, we have the term 3, 1 and in f raised to power 1, we have the term 1, 2. That's why we have written this 3 and 2, that is 3, 2. And same for the last, that is 4, 2 and 2, 3. That's why we have written 4, 3. Again, if we solve to find out the f raised to power 4 as a f raised to power 3 composition f raised to power 1, that is f raised to power 3 composition f raised to power 1, then it will a set of ordered pairs 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 4. But if we look to this f raised to power 4, then it is same as the f raised to power 0. That's why we have written that we find that the f raised to power 4, it is equals to the f raised to power 0. If we again find out the f raised to power 5, then it will equals to the f raised to power 1. If we find out the f raised to power 6, it will equals to the f raised to power 2. f raised to power 7, then it will equals to the f raised to power 3. f raised to power 8, then it will equals to the f raised to power 4 and 0. If we again find out the f raised to power 9, then it will equals to the f raised to power 1, then f raised to power 10 will equals to the f raised to power 2, and so that. Means what? If we have the set of 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, then there will only the 4 functions f raised to power 0, f raised to power 1, f raised to power 3, and the f raised to power 0, f raised to power 1, f raised to power 2, and f raised to power 3. When we find out the f raised to power 4, 5, 6, 7, then it will same as f raised to power 0, 1, 2, 3. If we find out again the f raised to power 8, 9, 10, 11, then it will same as f raised to power 0, 1, 2, 3. Means after the f raised to power 4, it is repeated. Just like the modulus operator in the mathematics. If we perform the x mod 4, then the result may be only the 0, 1, 2, 3. There will not the 4, 5, 6 and all the remaining values. If we perform the x raised to power x mod 7, then there will only the 7 values. There may be the result only 0 to 6. There will not the 7, 8, 9, 10. What we can conclude from this expression, that let us denote the f by the f raised to power 1 and consider the set capital F, that is a set of functions f raised to power 0, f raised to power 1, f raised to power 2 and f raised to power 3. Then it is clear that the set of functions is closed under the operation of the composition, and the function f with the composition operation is an algebraic system. Now if we design the composition table for this, then it will the f raised to power 0 composition f raised to power 0, that is f raised to power 0, f raised to power 1 composition f raised to power 1, that is f raised to power 1, f raised to power 2 0 composition f raised to power 2, then it is f raised to power 2, f raised to power 0 composition f raised to power 3, then it is f raised to power 3. Same for the second row, that is f raised to power 1 composition f raised to power 0, that is f raised to power 1, same as a 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, f raised to power 1 composition f raised to power 1, that is f raised to power 2, f raised to power 1 composition f raised to power 2, that is f raised to power 3. Now f raised to power 1 composition f raised to power 3, it will equals to f raised to power 4, and that is equals to, that is same as f raised to power 0. That's why we have written the f raised to power 0 here. Next row, f raised to power 2 composition f raised to power 0, that is f raised to power 2, f raised to power 2 composition f raised to power 1, that is f raised to power 3, the f raised to power 2 composition f raised to power 2, again it is f raised to power 4, but it is same as the f raised to power 0, and f raised to power 2 composition f raised to power 3, that is the f raised to power 5, but it is same as the f raised to power 1. For the last row, the f raised to power 3 composition f raised to power 0, that is f raised to power 3, the f raised to power 3 composition f raised to power 1, that will the f raised to power 4, but it is same as f raised to power 0, f raised to power 3 composition f raised to power 2, that is f raised to power 5, but same as f raised to power 1, and f raised to power 3 composition f raised to power 3, it is the f raised to power 6, but it is same as the f raised to power 2. What we can conclude, that the operation composition is both the commutative and associative. We can observe this composition table, and also the element f raised to power 0 is the identity element with respect to the operation of composition. The identity element which does not affect to the any other element over the operation. We can check that f raised to power 0 composition f raised to power 0, f raised to power 0, f raised to power 0 composition f raised to power 1, f raised to power 1, f raised to power 0 composition f raised to power 2, f raised to power 2, and f raised to power 0 composition f raised to power 3, f raised to power 3. Means when we perform the composition of any function with the f raised to power 0, then it is not affecting to this term. It is not affecting to this function. That's why we have called that also the element f raised to power 0 is the identity element with respect to the operation composition. The result of composition of any two functions of the f is given by the table. We already discussed. Now based on this, to find out the congruence, we have developed the one method that's we called the congruence modulo m. The m means the number of values in the set. Let's have an equivalence relation to the previous expression called the congruence modulo m on the set of integers. Suppose we consider that m is equals to 4 and the set is, therefore we can say that set is the Z4. Denote the set of equivalent classes generated so that. Suppose we have the set Z4, that is the set of 4 classes, class 0, class 1, class 2, class 3. The values written in the square bracket, that's we read the class, where the class J denote the set of those integers which are equivalent to the value J. Let us define an operation plus 4 the addition, and this value of m is equals to 4, that's why we have written the operation plus 4 on the set Z with the 4 values, that's why we have written the Z4 given by. Then how to find out the values? That is the class I plus 4 class J, that is equals to the I plus J mod m, that is the mod 4 here. Now what may be the I and J? Then for all the I and J equals to the 0, 1, 2, 3, the operation plus 4, that is the addition on the set Z4 is described in the previous table. Since the set Z4 is closed with respect to the operation plus 4, we have the algebraic system for the set Z4 with the operation plus 4, in which the operation plus 4 is commutative and associative, and the element, that is class 0, is the identity element. But it will clear to you after the next problem statement. Now we'll try to find out the congruence modulo values for the set of the class 0, class 1, class 2 and class 3. We can consider the I, that is the 0, 1, 2, 3 and J, the 0, 1, 2, 3 in the columns. That's why the class 0 plus 4 class 0, that is I plus 4J, that is equals to the I plus J, that is 0 plus 0, 0, 0 mod 4 is equals to 0. 0 plus 4, 1, that is 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 mod 4 is 1. The 0 plus 4, 2, that is 0 plus 2 is 2 and 2 mod 4 is 2. The 0 plus 4, 3, that is 0 plus 3 is 3 and 3 mod 3 is equals to 3. That is for the first row. For the second row, that is I is equals to 1 and J 0, 1, 2, 3. That is 1 plus 4, 0, that is 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 mod 4 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 mod 4 is 2. 1 plus 3, 3, 3 mod, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 mod 4 is 3. 1 plus 3, now 4 and 4 mod 4, it is equals to now 0. For the third row, the 2 plus 0, that is 2, 2 mod 4 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 mod 4 is 3. Next 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 mod 4 it is equals to 0. And 2 plus 3 equals to 5, 5 mod 4 that is equals to 1. For the last row, when I is equals to 3, then the 3 plus 0, that is 3, 3 mod 4 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 mod 4 is equals to 0. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 mod 4 is equals to 1. And 3 plus 3, that is equals to 6, 6 mod 4 that is equals to 2. If we put all these values in the table, then the table where we have the class 0, class 1, class 2, class 3 for the J, and class 0, class 1, class 2, class 3 for the I. Then for all these operations, again we can repeat that 0 plus 4, 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 1, that is 1, 1 mod 4 is 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 mod 4 is 2, and 0 plus 3, 3, 3 mod 4, 3. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 mod 4, 0, 1 mod 4, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 mod 4, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 mod 4, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 mod 4, now it is equals to 0. For the third row, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 mod 4, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 mod 4, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, now the 4 mod 4 it equals to 0. In the pink, the third row, the 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 mod 4 that is equals to 1. Now for the last row, which is in the green color, the 3 plus 0, 3, 3 mod 4 is 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 mod 4 0, 3 plus 2 5, 5 mod 4 is 1, and 3 plus 3 is equals to 6, 6 mod 4 that is equals to 2. Now if we have the problem statement to design the composition table for an algebraic system Zm comma plus m, the Zm is a set and plus m is an operation, that is for the addition, where m is equals to 5. Then an equivalence relation called the congruence modulo m on the set of integers for the m is equals to 5 and z5 denote the set of equivalent classes generated such as. Now similar to the previous, now for the first row we can find out the 0 plus 0, 0, 0 mod 5, because now m is equals to 5, that is the mod m. 0 mod 5 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 mod 5 1, 0 plus 2 2, 2 mod 5 2, 0 plus 3 3, 3 mod 5 3, and 0 plus 4 4, 4 mod 5, that is 4. For the second row, when I is 1, then 1 plus 0 1, 1 mod 5 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 mod 5 2, 1 plus 3 3, 3 mod 5 3, 1 plus 3 4, 4 mod 5 is 4. And now for the last 1 plus 4 that is equals to 5, 5 mod 5 that is equals to 0. For the third row, when I is equals to 2, then 2 plus 0, 2, 2 mod 5 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 mod 5 3, 2 plus 2 4, 4 mod 5 4, 2 plus 3 5, 5 mod 5 0, 2 plus 4 6, 6 mod 5 that is equals to 1. Same for the fourth row, that is 3 plus 0 3, 3 mod 5 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 mod 5 4, 3 plus 5 5, 5 mod 5 that is equals to 0, 3 plus 3 6, 6 mod 5 that is equals to 1, and 3 plus 7 and 3 plus 4 that is equals to 7, 7 mod 5 that is equals to 2. Same we can find out for the last, that is the fifth row, the 4 plus 0 that is equals to 4, 4 mod 5 that is 4, the 4 plus 1 5, 5 mod 5 0, 4 plus 2 6, 6 mod 5 1, 4 plus 3 that is equals to 7, 7 mod 5 that is 2, and the last is 4 plus 4 8, 8 mod 5 that is equals to 3. If we put all the values in the composition table, then your composition table will look like this. That is the 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus 3 3, 0 plus 4 4, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 2 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 that is 3, the 1 plus 3 that is equals to 4, and 1 plus 4 that is equals to 5, but 5 mod 5 that is 0. The next will be 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 3 5, and 5 mod 5 0. The 2 plus 4 6, 6 mod 5 that is 1. Same for the 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 2 5, 5 mod 5 0, 3 plus 3 6, 6 mod 5 1, 3 plus 4 7, and 7 mod 5 that is equals to 2. For the last 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 mod 5 that is 0, 5 plus 2 6, 6 mod 5 that is 1, the 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 mod 5 2, and 4 plus 4 that is equals to 8, 8 mod 5 that is equals to 3. Now in that you can observe that in the composition table there is no any value greater than the 4, because the mod 5, we have performed the modulus 5. That's why in the composition table there must be the classes 0, class 1, class 2, class 3, and class 4. There must not be the any value, any class greater than 4. Now we'll move to solve the problem 2, that is to design the composition table for an algebraic system Zm with a operation multiplication m, where m is equals to 5. Now in the solution, an equivalence relation called the congruence modulo m on the set of integers for m is equals to 5. Means your integers may be the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the set is Z5. Denote the set of equivalent classes generated such as. For the first row, when I is equals to 0, j may be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's why for the first row, the first operation is the class 0 into class 0. It is the I into j, that is 0 into 0, 0 and 0 mod 5 is 0. The second is 0 into 1, it will 0 and 0 mod 5, again it is 0. Similarly for the remaining, class 0 into class 2, that is 0 into 2, 0, that's why finally it is 0. Class 0 into class 3, then it is 0, and class 0 into class 4, that is 0. For the multiplication operation, if we perform the multiplication of any number with the 0, then it will 0. For the second row, now when I is equals to 1, again its combination with the j is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why we have the class 1 into 0, that is 1 into 0, 0, 0 mod 5 is 0. 1 into 1, 1, 1 mod 5, 1. 1 into 2, 2, 2 mod 5, 2. 1 into 3, 3, 3 mod 5 is 3. And the last is 1 into 4, 4. 4 mod 5, that is equals to 4. For the third row, when I is equals to 2, then 2 into 0, 0, 0 mod 5 is 0. 2 into 1, 2, 2 mod 5 is 2. 2 into 2, that is 4, 4 mod 5 is class 4. 2 into 3, that will the 6, and 6 mod 5, that is equals to 1. And the last is the 2 into 4. 2 into 4, it is equals to 8, and 8 mod 5, that is a class 3. For the fourth row, the combination of I is equals to 3 with j is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first is 3 into 0, that is 0, 0 mod 5 is 0. 3 into 1, 3, 3 mod 5 is equals to 3. 3 into 2, it is equals to the 6, 6 mod 5 is equals to 1. When we perform the 6 divides 5, then remaining is 1. The 3 into 3, it is 9, and 9 mod 5, that is equals to 4. And for the last, the 3 into 4, it is 12, and 12 mod 5, it is equals to 2. Same for the last row, when I is equals to 4, that is 4 into 0, 0, 0 mod 5 is 0. 4 into 1, 4, and 4 mod 5 is equals to 4. 4 into 2, 8, 8 mod 5 is equals to 3. 4 into 3, 12, 12 mod 5 is equals to 2. And the last is 4 into 4 equals to 16. 16 mod 5, it is equals to 1. If we put all the values in this composition table, now we can check the one by one. The first row is that 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 2, 0, 0 into 3, 0 and 0 into 4, 0. The second is for the 1, that is 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 3, 3 and 1 into 4, 4. When we perform the operation of this class 0 with the class 0, this class 1 with the class 0, class 1, class 2, class 3 and class 4, then it is not affecting to this number. That's why in this, the class 1, it is an identity element for the multiplication operation. Now for the next is the 2 into 0, that is 0, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3, 6, 6 mod 5 is 1, 2 into 4, 8 and 8 mod 5 is 3. Same we have solved in the previous. The 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 1, 3 into 2, 6, 6 mod 5 is 1, 3 into 3, 9, 9 mod 5 is 4 and 3 into 4, 12, 12 mod 5 that is equals to 2. And same for the last, that is 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 mod 5, 3, 4 into 3 equals to 12 and 12 mod 5 it is equals to 2. And the last is 4 into 4 equals to 16 and 16 mod 5 that is equals to 1. Now problem 3 is design the composition table for an algebraic system, that is Zm comma plus m, that is for the addition operation where m is equals to 6. Now we'll directly try to understand with the composition table, will not solving all the steps. The 0 plus 0 0 and 0 mod 6, that is 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus 3 3, 0 plus 4 4 and 0 plus 5 equals to 5. The 1 plus 0, that is equals to 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3, 1 plus 3 equals to 4, 1 plus 4 equals to 5, and the last is 1 plus 5 equals to 6, but 6 mod 6, it is equals to 0. When m is equals to 6, then in your composition table your value may be the less than 6. Same for the next row, that is 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 3 2 plus 1, that is 3, 2 plus 2 equals to 4, 2 plus 3 equals to 5, 2 plus 4 equals to 6, 6 mod 6 equals to 0, 2 plus 5 equals to 7, but 7 mod 6 is equals to 1. The 3 plus 0 is equals to 3, 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, 3 plus 2 equals to 5, 3 plus 3 equals to 6, but 6 mod 6 is equals to 0, 3 plus 4 is equals to 7, but 7 mod 6 is equals to 1, and the last is 3 plus 5 is equals to 8, but 8 mod 6 is equals to 2. The 4 plus 0 is equals to 4, 4 plus 1 is equals to 5, then 4 plus 2 is equals to 6, 6 mod 6 is 0, 4 plus 3 is equals to 7, 7 mod 6 is equals to 1, 4 plus 4 is equals to 8, 8 mod 6 is equals to 2, and the last is the 4 plus 5 is equals to 9, but 9 mod 6 is equals to 3. Same for the last row, that is 5 plus 0 is equals to 5, 5 plus 1 is equals to 6, but 6 mod 6 is 0, 5 plus 2 is equals to 7, 7 mod 6 is equals to 1, 5 plus 3 is equals to 8, 8 mod 6 is 2, 5 plus 4 equals to 9, 9 mod 6 is 3, and the last is 5 plus 5 is equals to 10, 10 mod 6 is equals to 4. The same we can solve all these rows, the one by one. Now same, the problem statement to design the composition table for an algebraic system Zm, multiplication m, for the multiplication operation where m is equals to 6. Now if we have this composition table with the columns 0 to 5 and the rows are 0 to 5, then for the first, because it is for the multiplication, 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 0 into 2, 0 into 3, 0 into 4 and 0 into 5, all are 0. For the next one, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 2, 1 into 3 3, 1 into 4 4 and 1 into 5 is equals to 5. Now we have the some complex part, that it is 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 mod 6 is 0, 2 into 4 is 8 and 8 mod 6 is equals to 2, 2 into 5 is equals to 10 and 10 mod 6 is equals to 4. For the next, 3 into 0 is equals to 0, 3 into 1 is equals to 3, 3 into 2 is equals to 6 and 6 mod 6 is equals to 0, 3 into 3 is equals to 9 and 9 mod 6 is equals to 3, 3 into 4 equals to 12 and 12 mod 6 is equals to 0, 3 into 5 is equals to 15 and 15 mod 6 is equals to 3. Similarly for the next, that is 4 into 0 is equals to 0, 4 into 1 is equals to 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 mod 6 2, 4 into 3 equals to 12 and 12 mod 6 is equals to 0, 4 into 4 equals to 16 and 16 mod 6 is equals to 4, 4 into 5 is equals to 20, 20 mod 6 is equals to 2. Same for the last, that is 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 equals to 10, 10 mod 6 is 4, 5 into 3 is 15, 15 mod 6 is 3, 5 into 4 is 20, 20 mod 6 equals to 2 and 5 into 5 is 25, 25 mod 6, that is equals to 1. If we have the composition table, when m is equals to 7, for the addition operation, now how we can write down, if we are the practice, then for the 0 it will the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the 1 we can write down directly the 1 will start from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after 6 repeat it with the 0. Next 2, it is 2, that's why we will start from the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The m is equals to 7, that's why we have to stop at the 6, and after that we have to start again with the 0 and 1, just like the circular Q. It is 3, that's why we can start from the 3, 4, 5, 6 and repeat from the 0, that is 0, 1, 2. For the 4, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3. The next 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last for the 6, I is equals to 6, you can start from the 6, then repeat the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can solve by performing the expression. The first, second, the third, when I is equals to 2, I is equals to 3, I is equals to 4, I is equals to 5 and I is equals to 6. Similarly, we can form the composition table for any value of the m for the addition and the multiplication operation. That's we call a congruence modulo m method. Here the value of m may be any integer number. Thank you.